Ready to ditch that patata quality webcam and unleash the power of your Nikon Z30 for crystal clear video calls and streams. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Nikon Z30 as a high-quality webcam in just a few simple steps. Making sure everyone sees you in stunning detail first, you'll need a USB cable to connect your camera to your computer. Make sure it's a USB data cable. Next, download the Nikon Webcam Utility software. Head over to Nikon's website. I've put a direct link in the description below for easy access. Find the Webcam Utility download for your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS, and click download. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Nikon Webcam Utility on your computer. Accept the license agreement and select the installation location. Now, grab your Z30 and turn it on. Go into the camera's menu. Navigate to the setup menu. It's usually indicated by a wrench icon, and find the USB connection option. Select Webcam Utility. Connect your Nikon Z30 to your computer using the USB cable. Open your video conferencing or streaming application, such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or OBS. Go into the settings, find the video or camera settings, and select Nikon Webcam Utility as your camera source. And that's it. You're now using your Nikon Z30 as a webcam. Enjoy the significantly improved image quality for your video calls and streams. Now go show off that beautiful footage.